In this video, we learn about percentile. This word may sound similar to percentage, but there is a difference. You can say that you have secured 50% of marks in your subject. That 50% represents that out of 100 questions asked, you have secured 50 marks in that, which shows the percentage as 50 there. But percentile means it is locating your position in the total class strength. Suppose your class strength is 60 means and you have got 50 percentage. And you want to know what is your position out of that class strength 60. It may be 30th percentile. 30th percentile means out of the percentage secured by your classmates, your position is 30th percentile. It means 30 members have secured less than your marks and remaining 70% of the persons have secured greater than your marks. So percentile means locating your position in the total observations. Percentile divides the total observation into two parts, which may be 10 and then 90 or 20, 80. Likewise, totally it divides the observation into two parts. 70th percentile is a data point means it shows that 70% of the entire data is less than or equal to 70 and 30% of the data is greater than or equal to this data point. And then quartile. So quartile divides the total observation into three equal parts, namely Q1, Q2 and then Q3. Q1 is called lower quartile, Q2 is called median and Q3 is called upper quartile. So Q2 is the median of the entire observation and Q1 is the median for the lower quartile and Q3 is the median for the upper quartile. Q1 is also called 25th percentile and Q2 is 50th percentile and Q3 is 75th percentile. In quintils, the total observation is divided into 5 equal parts. This is your first quintile, second quintile, third quintile, fourth quintile and fifth quintile. And first quintile is called as 20th percentile, second quintile is called 40th percentile, third is called 60th percentile, fourth quintile is called 80th percentile. Then it is deciles. Deciles divide the total observation into 10 equal parts. So D1 is called first decile or it is called as 10th percentile. Second decile is 20th percentile and third decile is 30th percentile. Fourth decile is 40th percentile. It means 40% of data are less than this data point and remaining 60% of the observations are greater than this data point. Now we'll see how to calculate the percentile value. Percentile value is calculated by the formula P percentile equal to P by 100 into N plus 1th value. So the value in that particular position is called as the percentile value. Here P is the percentile and N is number of observations. We'll see how to find out the percentile value using an example. In this example, we are going to find out the 25th, 46th and 75th percentile in the given data. First, we have to arrange the given data in ascending order. So, after arranging the data in the ascending order, make a note of the position. This is the position after arranging the data in the ascending order. Then, we have to use the formula to find out the percentile. First we have to find out 25th percentile. P value is 25. So 25 divided by 100 into N is number of observations. Here you have 11 data. So 11 plus 1. 25 by 100 is 0.25 into 12. 0.25 into 12 is 3. So the value in the third position is the 25th percentile. 1, 2, 3. So third value is 16. 25th percentile is 3. Likewise, we'll find out the 46th percentile and 75th percentile. Substituting in the formula, P value is 46 now. 46 divided by 100, it is 11 plus 1 equal to 0.46 into 12. On multiplying this, we get the answer as 5.52. This 5.52 tells us that the 46th percentile is somewhere between 5th and 6th observation. That is between 22 and 25. In particular, we can say that it is 52% of the distance between 22 and 25. The 46th percentile is calculated as fifth value is 22. So 22 is written as it is, plus it is 0.52. It is 0.52 times the distance between 22 and 25. It is 22 plus 0.52. The distance between these two values is 3. It is 22 plus 0.52 into 3 gives a value as 1.56. Totally it is 23.56. 46th percentile is 23.56. Next you have to find out 75th percentile. Substituting in the formula, 75 by 100 into n value is 11 plus 1, which is 0.75 into 12. 0.75 into 12 is 9. Ninth value is the answer. So when you look at the data, the ninth value is 32.